Next is the another problem. We'll solve the problem on finding the amount of the discharge. So what is the maximum amount of the discharge of storm water? That we'll find out. See, this is what the question that will be asked in the examination. The following the data are the available regarding the various various area and corresponding impermeability factor. So impermeable factor which is given in the right side and the percentage of the area it is given in the right side. Roof, pavement, lawn, unpaved and wooded, the different area and impermeable factors they are given. So you have to determine the average coefficient of the runoff. So average coefficient, first you have to determine the average coefficient. Next is for the total area of the district of the 20 hectares, 20 hectares, determine the maximum stormwater flow for the rainfall intensity of 50 mm per hour having the frequency of once in 5 year using the rational formula. You have to use it. So this is what the question. So next we will go for the solution. So for the solution, what you have to do is first you have to find out the average value. See here, so average impermeability factor, the average impermeability factor IAV is given by sigma AI divided by sigma A. Sigma AI is it is a product of area and impermeability factors. Impermeability coefficient, uh, that you have, it is a product and summation of that. And sigma A is area of the all each individual percentage area. So all you have to add it together, you have to do the summation. So first there are the, if you see here, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 areas are there. So that's why sorry, not 6, 5. This is 1 all together, this all together 1, 3 4 5. So that's why a1 I1 a2 I2 a3 I3 a3 I3 a4 I4 a5 I5. So all this together it will comes. So you can see here they have given in the area, that is 15 percentage, that is means area, in area it is a 15 percentage. So if you take it 15% means 15 divided by 100, so you will get a coefficient of 0.15. So 0.15 area, you can write it 15% as 0.15 area. So that's what it is been written. So 0.15 area, the impermeability factor is I is 0.9. So like that individually everything you have to write it 0.15a into 0.9. So that's what it is written here. Next is 0.2 times of area and coefficient is 0.8. So it is written here. Like individually you have to take it 0.4, 0.4, 0.15a, 0.10a. So all it has been written here. So respective impermeable factors you have to take it. So all together you take it and just 0.15 and 0.9 you multiple, you will get it 0.135 area. So after multiplying that you will get this answer. But we need summation of area into I, that is the percentage area into impermeability coefficient. You have to add you have to do the summation of, that's what summation of AI. All whatever the answer is there, you got it, all together you add it, finally that answer is 0.390a. So that's what the numerator you will get it. Next you have to add summation of area. What the summation of area, it is there in the inside the bracket. Here inside the bracket whatever it is there, you just add all together. The area, the complete summation of area is you can write, you can take it as a or area, all or both are same. So you take it, summation of area is individual all the area, if you add all together it is a 100% area, it is 100% area. So that's why it is written area as it is only. Next area would cancel, so you know, finally you will get it 0.39. So now the storm water discharge rational equation is Q is equal to air divided by 360. It's not in here, so it is AIR. A is the area, I is the average impermeability factor, and R is the intensity of the rainfall. So that that we have been calculated the I value, IAV. What we have calculated I value, this IAV is this value only. Okay. Rest of the all the values it is given. Average impermeability factor it is given as we have calculated as 0.39, and Ri, so Ri it is given the rainfall intensity 50 mm per hour. So where it is here, here it is given. So R value it is given, and area value it is area what we have given in the question, that is the total area it is been they are given as 20. So take that value. Okay, so A is 20, I is 0.39, R is that is given here 50 millimeter per hour divided by 360. So all this value is Q value. So that I will show you in the next here. Here, so Q is equal to A is 20, A is 20, and AIR by 360, no, AIR. So A is 20, it is given 20 hectares. So I value we have determined, that is 0.39, R value is 50. So divided by 360. So if we calculated that, you will get 1.08 metric cube per second. But what you do is, so you need discharge, it is in liter per second we need it, we don't need metric cube per second. So that's why what you do is you just multiple with 1000, so you will get it 1080 liters per second. Okay. That's what the answer. Okay, 1080. So if you multiple for 1000 multiple by 1.08, so you will get this answer. So that's about this problem. It's a very simple problem, you can do it, practice 1 or 2 times.